Hello my internet friends, John Gibson here with I Need Examples. Today I will be covering the CountBlank Excel function. If you wish to follow along, there is a link to the Excel file for this video in the description below. While you are down there, please like, subscribe, and leave me a comment on this video or an Excel tutorial you would like to see. The CountBlank Excel function is an Excel statistical function that counts the number of blank cells in an Excel range. Formulas returning empty text are also counted. There is only one required argument for the CountBlank function: range. This is a selection of cells within your Excel workbook. In the CountBlank function basic example, I have a range of values, items 1 through 5. Column F is where the results will be computed. In cell F2, the formula will be equals CountBlank, open parentheses, A2, colon, E2, close parentheses. Starting with row 2, there are no blank cells. Text strings, dates, numbers, errors, and zero values are all non-blank cells, so the result is 0. Looking at row 3, there are two cells visibly blank, A3 and B3. Cells C3, D3, and E3 all have values. Looking at cell A3, there is no value, meaning it is an empty cell, so it will be counted. In cell B3, there is a formula, equals double quote, double quote. Even though this is not considered an empty cell since it does have a formula, the return value is empty and will be counted as a blank cell, giving a result of 2. In the practical example, I have created a basic weekly attendance report for school. I wish to find out how many days each student has missed based on the weekly data given in columns C through G. This range is called attendance, with the range headers from P1 to P5. I will use this information when creating my formula. The results need to be in column H. In cell H4, the formula will be equals CountBlank, open parentheses, attendance, open bracket, at, open bracket, P1, close bracket, colon, open bracket, P5, close bracket, close parentheses. Now we have a list of days absent and can filter the results to see who has a perfect attendance and who has missed every day of the week. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. It really does help my channel. Leave a comment below to let me know if this video was helpful or if you would like to see a video on a specific Excel topic. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.